Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Social Security checks is coming on April 15, 2026. But here the question, are you qualified to receive it? Millions of Americans are expecting their payment, but many still don't know is their right group. And here the surprise part is all depend one simple thing, your birthday. In this video, I will explain you who qualify, how the system work, why some people get paid early, while other heavy wait. Stay until the end. Let's start. The Social Security Administration is continuing April 2026 payment schedule and April 50 dates. This payment belong to what's known as second group. Every month payment are divided three groups, managed, distribute smoothly. In April 2026, this date fall on April 8th, April 15th, and April 2022. Each date represent different state beneficiary. The system is designed to handle nearly 17 million payment percent by spreading payment across multiple weeks. It's avoid overloading banks and reduce delay. This good news. There are no holiday affecting the April 15th schedule. Let's the answer most important question who qualify for this payment. If your birthday fall between the 11th and 20th of any month, you will part of the second group. This including retirement, social security, disability insurance, beneficiary and survival benefit resets. Even if you're receiving benefits though someone easily work record like spouse, descent, family members, you may will still qualify. In those cases, the payment date depending your original worker's birthday not your. These small details cause confusion many people, so important double checks. Now, if you're not receiving a payment on April 15, don't panic. If the simple means your difference group, if your birthday fall between the 1st and 10th of you will already paid early in the April, and if your birthday is between 21 and 31, your payment will still come in later in month on April 2022. Also, certain groups supplemental security income resets usually paid on beginning of the month. So if your payment dates does not match in April 15, if it does not mean their problem, it just means your schedule is different. Understanding this help you avoid unnecessary stress and confusion. Now let's talk about something gets lots of attention. The maximum Social Security benefit 2026 reached $5,181 per month, but very few people actually receive this amount. To qualify, you need to meet strict requirement. You must be earn above the maximum taxable income limit at least 35 year. In 2026, this limit is 1,84,000 annually, and you must be daily claiming your benefit until age 17. If you claim early, your monthly payment will be lower. And age 62, the maximum is around $2,969. At full retirement, age 67 is rising to about $4,152. Only about 6% workers reach the highest payout. So while it's possible, it's not common. So many people, this social security checks is more than just money. It's stability in the ability to the pay bills, buy grocery, and live the dignity. And those why knowing your payment schedule matters so much because when you understand it, you feel more in control, more prepared. Thanks